We had an awesome day. We started with like your messaging and kind of went through their story and how to use story in their marketing and figured out what customers you see the most and how to attract those customers and talk to those customers. And we did a whole marketing plan and had breakfast and lunch and
A lot of sticky notes were used.
a lot of sticky notes. You guys see those? Yeah, a lot of sticky notes.
It's obvious that you're an expert and that you're really good at what you do. So I'm excited to see what the next year has in store. I think it's going to be pretty spectacular. So
Yeah,
well done, ma'am.
thank you. So, okay, random bit of advice for a shop owner. It doesn't have to do with marketing. What would you give to a shop owner? What would you tell them?
Hire out the things that you don't like doing, like marketing.
I mean, I promise I didn't tell them to say that, but